Setting office hours as a remote freelancer is one of the best ways to create structure in your day and ensure a healthy work-life balance. It's easy to fall into the trap of working all day when you're working remotely, but setting clear office hours can help you be more productive, communicate better with clients, and avoid burnout. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set office hours that work for you, and we'll even show you a tool that makes managing this process easier than ever. Now, the first thing you need to do is think about when you're most productive. Are you a morning person or more of a night owl? Setting your office hours based on your natural rhythm will help you make the most out of your working time. It's important to avoid scheduling during your low energy hours. Once you know when you're at your best, it's easier to create a consistent schedule. Next, think about your clients' needs. When are they available, and when do they expect to hear from you? You don't need to be available 24/7, but setting office hours that align with when your clients typically work will keep communication flowing smoothly. Make sure your office hours are communicated clearly to your clients. Send an email or put it in your contract to make sure everyone is on the same page. If you're working across multiple time zones, this can be tricky. Use a tool like the one we'll be showing you later to help manage your time zone differences. This way, you can sync your office hours with your clients without having to do the math every time. Setting boundaries is key. Make it clear to clients that you're not available after certain hours, especially if you don't want them messaging you late at night or on weekends. Stick to these boundaries as much as possible. Also, remember to schedule breaks throughout the day. If you're sitting at your desk for hours without a break, your productivity will drop. A 15-minute break every few hours can really recharge you and help you stay focused. Another important aspect of setting office hours is creating a routine. It's tempting to skip your start-of-day rituals when working from home, but keeping a consistent routine will signal to your brain that it's time to get to work. Whether it's having a morning coffee or checking emails right away, find something that gets you into work mode. The software we'll be using to make this process even easier helps automate scheduling and send reminders about when you're available. This can save you so much time, especially if you have a lot of clients. And if you want to follow along and set up your own system, make sure to check out the exclusive free trial we have in the description below. Before I wrap up, the key takeaway here is that setting clear office hours as a remote freelancer is crucial for productivity and managing client expectations. Be sure to choose your hours based on when you're most productive and consider your clients' time zones. Also, don't forget to establish clear boundaries and take breaks. Just to recap. First, figure out when you're most productive. Next, align your hours with your clients, use the right tools to handle time zones, and always stick to your boundaries. And don't forget to take breaks to keep your energy high. Remember to take advantage of the free trial in the description if you want to streamline this process even further. Thanks for watching and happy freelancing.